I'm just going to start with adding in some olive oil. Following that, into the pan, we're going to add in some nice diced up onion. Just give that a mix around just to soften it up. Into that, we're just going to put a bit of butter. Whatever comes off the spoon. Yeah. On top of that, we're just going to add in some nice garlic. Now we're just going to want to cook that to a golden brown. Once the onions and garlic have turned a golden brown, we just want to add our chicken straight into it. Mix all that around again. Okay, so once the chicken's done, we're just going to want to add in 6 button mushrooms. A small splash of white wine. Good bit of pepper. And also good salt. Give all that a mix around again. Okay, now that the mushrooms are all cooked down, we're just going to be adding in 1 cup of cream and 1/2 cup of milk. Just give that a gentle mix. And simmer for 10 minutes. So we finish that off with a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. And 2 teaspoons of parsley. Mix that together well. We'll just add our pasta straight into the sauce. Give that a nice toss around. Now if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.